Hello and welcome to this screencast. Today we will discuss how Vertias Operations Manager simplifies compression management and reporting. Compression was added in the 6.0 release of Storage Foundation. It allows administrators to reduce the space consumed by data that is primarily read-only and needs to be stored for a relatively longer time period. Examples of this could be your archive logs or source code that has many white space sections. Thus, compression helps to reduce your snapshot or replication times, and all of this while being completely transparent to the application. While you can use the command line to configure and execute a compression job, imagine how cumbersome it will be to manage compression across tens or hundreds of hosts. Add to this the need to learn yet another command line operation. Also, depending on the nature and amount of data to be compressed, compression might take a while to finish and can make managing your maintenance windows difficult. Vertias Operations Manager simplifies this process by providing a simple compression management workflow. It also provides reports that show the results of compression. Let's take a look at the feature in action. To do compression, first navigate to the target host. Here I'm in the details section of a file system of a Solaris host. Compression can be managed under the Compression tab. To begin, use a simple wizard to select which directories you want to compress. Once you have selected the directories to compress, you have the option of either compressing right now, or you can schedule the compression to run at a convenient time. If you want to compress the directories at that instant, you have the option of specifying the duration for which you want the compression job to run, and you can pick the number of cores you want to dedicate to compression. The scheduling section gives you the same option of picking up the duration and selecting the number of CPUs to use for compression. And that's it. In the compression status section, you see the last time the compression was run, the user who initiated compression, and the amount of space that was saved as part of the compression run. To understand how much space was saved by compression, navigate to the report section in WOM and you'll find a savings by file system compression report. This report highlights the top file systems that have benefited from compression and also the hosts that have benefited the most from compression, and thus helps you understand how much space you're really saving by running compression across the different hosts in your data center. So to summarize, you can leverage Vertias Operations Manager and the underlying Storage Foundation compression capabilities to simplify compression management and reporting with a simple 4-step process. First, on all the target hosts, pick the right directories to compress. Next, specify the resources and the time that can be utilized by the compression job. Schedule it to run at a specific time or schedule it to run at that instant. As compression runs, you can track the status and control the compression job. Lastly, using the built-in reports, you can identify the amount of space saved at a host and file system level.